Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're passionate about transforming discarded wood into beautiful, profitable furniture. Stay tuned for creative ideas and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft and decor content. Join us on this eco-friendly journey today. Bamboo is a sustainable, versatile, and eco-friendly material that has gained immense popularity in recent years. Its natural aesthetic appeal, durability, and affordability make it an excellent choice for creating decorative pieces and furniture that sell quickly and generate good profit. As a craftsman or entrepreneur, understanding what products are in high demand is key. Bamboo furniture, planters, wall decor, and small accessories are trending items. These products not only appeal to environmentally conscious consumers but also offer a unique, rustic charm that enhances any space. By leveraging bamboo's natural beauty, you can create items that stand out in the market. Additionally, bamboo is lightweight yet sturdy, making it ideal for a wide range of applications. Any of the most popular bamboo products that sell fast is bamboo furniture, particularly small pieces like stools, side tables, and plant stands. These are highly sought after in cafes, homes, and offices for their modern yet natural look. Bamboo stools are easy to craft, requiring minimal tools, and can be customized with different finishes or carvings. Their lightweight nature makes them portable and versatile. To maximize profit, focus on creating sturdy, well-finished pieces that withstand daily use. Incorporate designs that blend contemporary and rustic styles to appeal to a broader market. Offering personalized options, such as engraved names or custom sizes, can also boost sales. Remember, quality craftsmanship and appealing aesthetics are crucial for high demand. Market these products at local craft fairs, online stores, or home decor outlets to reach a larger audience. With proper branding and quality, bamboo furniture can become a fast-selling, profitable venture. Bamboo wall decor is another highly profitable product that sells quickly. Decorative wall panels, hanging planters, and art pieces made from bamboo are trendy among interior decorators and homeowners. These items are lightweight, easy to install, and bring a natural, calming vibe to any space. You can craft intricate designs like bamboo wall art, geometric patterns, or minimalist pieces. Using different finishes such as natural oil, paint, or varnish enhances their visual appeal. Creating a variety of sizes and styles allows you to cater to diverse customer preferences. Additionally, incorporating LED lighting or combining bamboo with other materials like metal or glass can elevate your designs. Market these decor items through social media platforms, interior design boutiques, or online marketplaces. Emphasize their eco-friendly nature and aesthetic versatility to attract environmentally conscious buyers. Consistent quality and innovative designs will help your bamboo wall decor sell fast and maximize profits. Bamboo kitchenware and home accessories are gaining popularity due to their eco-friendly and stylish appeal. Items like bamboo utensils, cutting boards, coasters, and storage boxes are in high demand. These products are lightweight, durable, and naturally antibacterial, making them ideal for everyday use. Crafting bamboo utensils involves shaping, sanding, and finishing, with options to carve or engrave for added personalization. Custom cutting boards with unique designs or monograms are perfect for gift sales. Bamboo storage jars and baskets offer functional beauty and are great for organizing homes. Market these products as sustainable alternatives to plastic or synthetic materials, emphasizing their longevity and eco-benefits. Selling online, at farmers' markets, or home goods stores can boost your sales volume. With proper branding and attention to detail, bamboo kitchenware can become a fast-moving, profitable product line. Bamboo lighting fixtures are another highly profitable product that sells fast. Pendant lights, table lamps, and lanterns made from bamboo are trendy among interior designers and homeowners. Their natural texture and warm glow create cozy atmospheres in any space. Crafting bamboo lighting involves cutting, shaping, and wiring, requiring some electrical knowledge but yielding high-value products. Use eco-friendly coatings and incorporate LED bulbs for energy efficiency. Unique designs, such as woven bamboo shades or geometric patterns, enhance aesthetic appeal. Market these lighting fixtures through social media, interior design blogs, or home decor boutiques. Emphasize their sustainability, style, and the warm ambience they create to attract buyers. With high-quality craftsmanship, bamboo lighting can become a fast-selling, profitable niche. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in sustainable furniture making. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and ideas. Together, we can create beautiful, eco-friendly pieces and make a positive impact.